Hi there. I'm so excited. Today we'll be building Flourish and Blotts, which is part of a new Lego set called Diagon Alley. So here it is. So be sure to subscribe so you can go check out the video where I built all of Vander's Wand Shop and Scribulus. So let's get right into this. So like I said, we are building Flourish and Blotts and Florian and Fortescue's ice cream parlor. So we're building some of the wall here and the door. And we got a little shelf in there with some ice cream on it. Looks like we got a Molly Weasley minifigure. And now we're building a shelf. And we just put the shelf in there with a little stack of books. Alright, so now we're putting down the checkered floor in the ice cream parlor. And then we're building up the ice cream parlor's wall. Okay, so we're on to the next bag. Let's see. We're putting some books outside on the cobblestones. And we're building some things on the book shop. Let's see, what are we building now? We're building the second story of Flourish and Blotts. It looks like we got some windows there as well as a little golden lamp inside. Okay, now we're doing the roof of Flourish and Blotts. And we just made a little bookshelf and we put it inside. And then we got a Gilderoy Lockhart minifigure, which is cool. And now we're starting to do the interior of the second floor of the ice cream parlor. And we're building up, the roof of both the buildings. And it's done. I was also thinking we could do this. So let's get right into it. Let's build Weasley Wizard Wheezes. So this is bag one. So we're putting down some cobblestones as well as some rocks. And that right there is the entrance to Knockturn Alley. So we're starting to build up some windows and some doors. And what's really cool is that there's a giant Weasley statue and the legs are inside the windows. So now we're starting to do the interior. We got some shelves of some goodies and some prank equipment. We got a little yellow cash register on a purple table. We got some boxes underneath the staircase. So now we're going up to the second floor. It actually looks pretty cool. So we got a lot of purple and orange pieces because we probably have more pieces that are purple and orange than pieces that are other colors. So it looks really good. So we're starting to do more windows. We have a lot of orange window pieces. We got a cool little sign right there. And okay, so we're starting to do the interior. Oh, look at that. So that's part of the Weasley statue, and it's right in there inside that window. You can see its arm sticking out. That's pretty cool. So we're building up some more walls, and pretty soon we'll be going up to the third story. There are 3 stories. So there's a ton of boxes over there with Fred's Basic Blaze. There's some Fred's Basic Blaze boxes in there, and some balloons and some lollipops and a cauldron. Lots of cool details. And as you can see, we're starting to build the roof. And we just made the Weasley head right there, the statue. It looks pretty good. And we just made the black roof and the top hat. We did it. We finished Weasley Wizard Wheezes. We didn't finish the entire set. We have one more building to build. Quality Quick Supplies and the Daily Profit entrance. So look at what we have here. 5 buildings or shops. 5 stores and a little Knockturn Alley entrance here. And this is awesome. You can display this in so many different ways. Oh wait, that doesn't. Let's display it like. Yeah. Let me see. Hey Joey. I thought this was supposed to have a twisted roof.
Go. It's an owl. That's one of Jelly's favorite animals.
Look at this. This is awesome.
Yeah, you know what would make this more money? If they added a bank. That would be so
Big Brain God's
cool.
Bank, that'd be awesome though.
That would be like $450.
Look at this. It's so cool. It's like I'm a minifigure.
Yeah, like you're a mini figure.
So, yes, we will be building...
I know what we should do.
So, in the next video, we're going to be building quality Quidditch supplies and...
whatever's in that thing, I have no idea.
this mystery box. So stay tuned.
Yep.